How to strengthen family bonds. Between work, school, and everything in between, family time often gets put on the back burner. We're taught to be productive, and many believe that if it comes at the expense of family time, so be it. But having a loving and supportive family is essential for every individual, even if it means occasionally missing out on work. Here are 5 fun and easy ways to strengthen family bonds and make time for those who matter most. 1. Game night, the ultimate bonding experience. If you're looking for a surefire way to bring everyone together, game night is a classic. Whether it's a competitive game of Monopoly or a hilarious round of charades, it's an easy and fun way to get everyone involved. Not a fan of board games? Try card games, video games, or even a trivia quiz based on your family's favorite topics. The goal is simple: laughter, interaction, and quality time that everyone will enjoy. 2. Cook a meal together. Who says family time can't be productive? Cooking a meal together can be a delicious and rewarding bonding activity. You don't need to be a master chef to enjoy it. Try making homemade pizza, tacos, or even cookies. Give each family member a task and watch the kitchen magic happen. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition Education and Behavior found that families who cook and eat together tend to have healthier diets and stronger relationships. 3. Outdoor adventures. Get moving together. Fresh air and exercise are the perfect ingredients for family bonding. Whether it's a hike, bike ride, or a walk around the neighborhood, getting moving together can do wonders for your family's connection. If you have a nearby park, pack a picnic and enjoy some outdoor games like frisbee, soccer, or even a good old-fashioned game of tag. 4. Movie night with a twist. Movie night is a household favorite, but why not add a fun twist? Let a different family member pick the movie each week, or create a themed movie night. Watch space-themed movies one week and enjoy animated classics the next. To make it even more special, set up a cozy home theater with blankets, popcorn, and dimmed lights. This simple activity can quickly become a cherished weekly tradition. 5. Volunteer together. One of the most meaningful ways to spend time as a family is by giving back to the community. Volunteering teaches empathy, teamwork, and the importance of helping others. Whether it's serving at a food bank, cleaning up a park, or organizing a charity event, volunteering together strengthens family bonds through shared purpose. Strengthening family bonds doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With these simple and enjoyable activities, you can create lasting memories and deepen your connection with the people you care about most. Whether it's cooking, playing games, enjoying the outdoors, or volunteering, these small efforts can make a big difference.